It seems that I have gotten paint on the table. Okay. What's up? Set that there so we don't spill it. Hi! Okay, today we're going to be cutting and DIYing some things. I brought some shirts along here. Some that like I wear, but I don't like with this one. This is an example. See, it's cute, like you can wear it under something, but look at the bottom. And there are some stains, cause you know, it's been through it. It's had a rough life. I'm not gonna cut the sleeves, like look at that. We're not measuring either. We're gonna wing it. It looks pretty straight to me, right? Hopefully it's not too short. Okay, this is exciting. Okay. That's scary. Okay, let's look. Oh, actually, oh my god. That could be good. We got one down. And a few more to go. It could be cute if there wasn't the bottom. We're gonna cut it right off and make it cropped. This isn't gonna go too well. It's a little crooked, look. No. But here we go, again. Oh my god. I think we've already gone too short. This could work, right? I don't know, I'm sweating. Good lord. I thrifted this one. And I mean, like, it's really cute, but again, the bottom ruins it. Should I cut it though? I mean, I can always wear it with something, right? I think I'm gonna cut it. It's gonna be crooked again because I'm not ironing the shirt, so it's flat. Here we go. Okay. This is gonna be a tough decision too, because I thrifted it, but I thrifted it when it was black and white. Like, shirt was black, white. I bleached this by myself, and honestly, it's kind of cute long. Like, if you had biker shorts on, you know, that'd be really cute. Okay, we're gonna leave it because everybody can always use a nice long t-shirt, right? Like a big one. Like if it's hot, oh my god, perfect. Throw that on, shorts. Yeah, these you can wear summertime and the wintertime if you wear it right. Now, we're going on to the fun stuff. We're painting. I'm so excited. Okay, time for painting. Yes, I thrifted these, and honestly, they're a nice pair of jeans, but I feel like since they're thrifted, I could easily like get another pair. Like it wasn't like I spent so much money on them. You know, we've got to do an angle change. Hold up. Okay, I think this is better. You can't really see me, but That's alright. I think we're gonna have to paint the back because there's something going on in here. You see it, that white strip? I already have an idea with these. Like just painting the whole back and like leaving the pockets. I might have to get like something to put underneath. If I make a mess on this table, no, I'm done for. So let me go get something, cover it up, then we'll be back. I'm back and I've got a towel. Time to paint now. Oh no, just, okay. Y'all see that? Already made a mess. That's lovely. I think we're gonna need a lot of paint. The farting sound and I didn't even notice. Okay. So what, like, I just start up here. Should we do like the side to side motion, like the, just like it got slapped on there? I don't know about this. Like, does that even look good? Like, I mean, we'd be doing that on both legs and up there. Not on the pockets though. We're gonna leave the pockets be. Do I fill it in more or just leave it like that? Yeah, I'm gonna stop filming and then film again when I'm done because this is gonna take a little bit and you're not all gonna watch me. We've encountered a major problem. I'm gonna be in trouble. Okay, I've got a wet napkin and we're gonna wipe it and then hopefully it comes off. Oh no, this is not looking good. It's literally in the cracks. Like, this is the worst thing that could have happened. And my hair just went in the paint. Oh my god. Y'all see that too? What am I doing? Not a good time for me. I'll be back. Okay, it's been a very long time. Like an hour. They're dry, I think. The more I watch this video, the bigger my double chin gets. So I'm sorry for that. But that's just how it goes. I think I'll have to put an outfit together and then figure it out. So, I'll be back for that one. I like them. Maybe if there was a whiter shirt, you know? But definitely will be wearing them in the future. This is it. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, you know, yeah. Okay, bye. Like, I don't know how to properly film an outro, apparently. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching if you've gotten this far. I really appreciate it. I love all of you. Thank you once again.